Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you OxyShred Hardcore review. So you might be wondering, what is OxyShred Hardcore here? Now, OxyShred Hardcore is a powdered thermogenic fat burner from EHP Labs, positioned as a more intense version of their original OxyShred formula, aimed at experienced trainers. Now, it contains around 275 milligrams of caffeine per serving, sourced from caffeine anhydrous, guarana seed extract, and green coffee bean extract, along with other listed ingredients including evodiamine, acetyl L, carnitine, HCI, CLA, L-tyrosine, taurine, L-glutamine, B vitamins, and vitamin C. Now, the site describes it as supporting fat oxidation, energy, food, focus, and immune function. Now, it's vegan-friendly, sugar-free, though not certified vegan since it's made in a facility that's also processes whey protein. So keep that in mind. Now, how to exactly use this? Now, according to them, on training days, take 1 scoop with 9 ounce, around 295 ml of chilled water about 10 minutes before exercise. On non-training days, take 1 scoop with 9 ounce of chilled water on an empty stomach. Now, the label specifies not exceeding 1 scoop per day and avoiding food or a protein shake within 20 minutes after taking it. EHP Labs' own guidance notes not to use OxyShred Hardcore and the original OxyShred Thermogenic formula on the same day, and not to use Hardcore more than once daily. Now, on the pricing side here, a 40 serving tub is commonly listed at around $50 to $60 through the official EHP Labs site and retailers like GNC, Vitacost, and Amazon, with some listings noting a lower app exclusive price around $40.76. Now, free shipping applies on qualifying order totals depending on the retailer, and EHP Labs' own site offers buy now, pay later options like Afterpay, Klarna, and ShopPay at checkout. But that's about it. So for this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.